Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Accessory Lab. Today we're checking out the top 10 best car ramps for safely lifting your vehicle at home. Whether you're changing oil or tackling brake jobs, a reliable set of ramps is way more convenient than jack stands. Now here's why it matters. We've tested these options for stability, weight capacity, and build quality. From heavy-duty steel designs to lightweight, portable composite models, we found options that make driveway maintenance feel effortless. And trust me, the grip and clearance on a few of these really surprised us. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Let's dive in. Garvee LB5. The Garvee LB5 is the perfect fitness companion for anyone seeking a reliable and effective way to track their daily activity and health metrics. Featuring a sleek, lightweight design and a vibrant, always-on display, this smart band provides effortless access to your steps, heart rate, and sleep patterns throughout the day. Made from comfortable, skin-friendly materials, it is built for all-day wear without irritation, whether you are at the gym, in the office, or resting at home. Equipped with multiple sport modes and long-lasting battery life, the LB5 helps you stay motivated and monitor your progress with precision. Its intuitive touch interface and water-resistant build ensure durability and ease of use in any environment. Black Widow. The Black Widow is the perfect companion for gamers and tech enthusiasts who demand precision and style in a sleek, high-performance package. Featuring a programmable 6-button layout, this mouse offers customizable controls that adapt to your unique workflow or gaming strategy. Equipped with a high-precision optical sensor, it delivers accurate tracking on nearly any surface, ensuring seamless navigation during intense sessions. Made from durable materials with a textured grip, the Black Widow provides comfortable handling for extended use without fatigue. Its lightweight design and smooth gliding feet allow for quick, effortless movements across your desk. Whether you are conquering virtual battlefields or managing complex spreadsheets, the Black Widow combines functionality and comfort, making it an essential tool for anyone who values responsiveness and reliability. LARBANKE. The LARBANKE is perfect for professionals and creatives who demand both style and functionality in their everyday carry. Featuring a sleek, minimalist design and premium full-grain leather, this versatile wallet seamlessly combines elegance with practical organization. Equipped with RFID blocking technology, it safeguards your sensitive card information from electronic theft, offering peace of mind in any environment. Made from durable, hand-stitched leather, it develops a rich patina over time, ensuring it looks better with age. Its slim profile fits comfortably in any pocket without adding bulk, while multiple card slots and a dedicated cash compartment keep essentials neatly arranged. Whether you're navigating a busy commute or attending a formal meeting, the LARBANKE delivers superior craftsmanship and everyday convenience. Garvee LBS. The Garvee LBS is perfect for drivers seeking superior road safety and enhanced vehicle stability in a single, sleek package. Featuring advanced laser-guided braking technology, this system ensures rapid and precise stopping power in critical moments, while its durable construction guarantees long-lasting performance under all driving conditions. Made from high-strength materials, it withstands extreme temperatures and heavy usage without compromising reliability, giving you peace of mind on every journey. Equipped with intuitive sensors, it adapts seamlessly to your driving style, reducing reaction time and preventing skids on wet or uneven surfaces. Its compact design fits most vehicles without adding bulk, making installation straightforward and hassle-free. MAXXHAUL. The MAXXHAUL is the perfect solution for anyone needing reliable and heavy-duty hauling capability. Featuring a robust steel construction and a high-weight capacity, this trailer is engineered to transport everything from landscaping materials and construction debris to recreational equipment with unwavering stability. Made from durable, weather-resistant materials, it withstands the elements and the rigors of frequent use without rusting or warping. Equipped with a tilting deck and a convenient pull-out ramp, loading and unloading heavy loads becomes a simple, one-person operation that saves time and effort. Its compact design allows for easy storage when not in use, yet its sturdy build ensures it can handle tough jobs. TOWKING. The TOWKING is perfect for golfers who demand unmatched convenience and durability from their essential accessories. Featuring a powerful, industrial-strength magnet, this towel attaches securely to any golf bag or cart, ensuring it is always within easy reach during your round. Made from ultra-premium microfiber, It delivers exceptional absorbency and cleaning power, effortlessly removing dirt, moisture, and grass from clubs and balls without causing scratches. Its soft yet robust texture ensures long-term performance, while the compact and lightweight design prevents any unnecessary bulk in your bag. Whether you are navigating a wet morning round or a dusty afternoon, the TOWKING combines practical functionality with sleek style, making it an indispensable tool for every serious golfer. MAXXHAUL 2 Count. The MAXXHAUL 2 Count is perfect for anyone needing reliable and heavy-duty towing accessories for their vehicle. Featuring a durable, corrosion-resistant construction, these components are engineered to withstand the toughest conditions, while their precise fit ensures secure and hassle-free installation. Made from high-strength materials, they provide superior stability and safety when hauling trailers, boats, or equipment, giving you confidence on every trip. Whether you are a weekend adventurer or a professional contractor, their robust build and sleek design offer long-lasting performance without compromising on ease of use. Compact and lightweight, they are easy to store and handle, making them an essential addition to any towing setup for those who demand quality and dependability. MAXXHAUL 2-Pack. The MAXXHAUL 2-Pack is perfect for homeowners and professionals who need reliable, heavy-duty tie-downs for securing cargo during transport. Featuring a robust 1,100-pound brake strength per strap, these versatile straps are equipped with durable, rust-resistant S-hooks that provide a secure hold on a wide range of surfaces. Made from high-quality polyester webbing, they resist weather damage and fraying, ensuring long-lasting performance in demanding conditions. Whether you are hauling lumber, furniture, or equipment, these straps offer superior tension and stability to keep your load safe and steady on the road. Their compact design allows for easy storage in a glove box or toolbox without taking up valuable space. ROBLOCK. The ROBLOCK is the perfect solution for anyone seeking a sleek and secure way to protect their valuables at home or on the go. Featuring a durable, heavy-duty steel construction, this compact lock offers superior strength and resistance against tampering. Equipped with an advanced keyless combination system, it allows for quick and effortless access without the worry of losing a key. Made from high-quality materials, its smooth, scratch-resistant finish ensures long-lasting performance and a clean appearance. Whether you are securing a locker, gym bag, or personal storage unit, the ROBLOCK provides reliable peace of mind in a portable size. Its intuitive setup and robust build make it an essential accessory for travelers, students, and professionals alike. VNN. The VNN is perfect for professionals and creatives who demand uncompromising performance in a sleek, modern design. Featuring an advanced processor and a stunning high-resolution display, this device delivers lightning-fast responsiveness and crystal-clear visuals for any task. Equipped with intelligent noise-canceling technology and a premium audio system, it ensures immersive sound and distraction-free communication whether you are in a busy office or a quiet home. Its durable, lightweight aluminum chassis offers both portability and resilience, making it ideal for on-the-go productivity without sacrificing style. The long-lasting battery keeps you powered through demanding workflows, while the intuitive interface simplifies complex operations. From intensive data analysis to creative editing, the VNN combines cutting-edge technology with elegant craftsmanship, making it an essential tool for anyone seeking efficiency and sophistication in one powerful package.